This I'm about to tell you is the bitter truth they won't tell you. Those people that are telling you to buy my online course, buy this, and then in less than 1 month you cash out $100. It's a lie o, na lie. I swear na lie. This is YouTube get. So this the niche I'm about to tell you has the lowest RPM, which those your online coaches won't tell you. They just want to get that your money, and also even give you videos, recommend their videos to you to get more views from you and also your money. So this is what they won't tell you. What am I talking about? I'm talking about African folktale. African folktale is a new niche on YouTube. Yes, it's a new niche on YouTube, but it has the lowest RPM. You heard me right. I said it has the lowest RPM. What is RPM? RPM are revenue per mille. RPM is being ranked by 1,000 views. So in a video, an RPM can be $1, $5. Some can go as high as $54. Because I've seen a YouTube channel that has its RPM for 1,000 views is $54. That is on a different channel. But in terms of folktale channel, the RPM is not like that. Sorry. The RPM is not like that. Most of folktale RPM, their RPM is 0.2 cents, as low as 0.2 cents, 0.8 cents, 0.5 cents. Within those range, that is where they ranked their RPM. Why would they rank it that way? Because most of your audience, people that watches your videos are from Nigeria, Kenya and South Africa. It's not at the same when someone from UK or US watches your videos. Because once people from those countries watches your videos, their RPM increases. So now, as it is an African folktale, the audience you are expected to get are people from African countries, which affects the RPM. These are the things your coaches won't tell you about African folktale. Now look at this RPM. Now check at this RPM. These are folktale channels. So imagine how many views you will get in order to reach a threshold of $100 within a month. Because what made you to want to buy their course is based on the screenshot you saw online or how promising their advertisement is. They were like, do this in less than 1 month you cash out $100. You'll be like, wow, this is good, let me just engage in it. They won't tell you the stress on editing those pictures, being consistent in pictures, and also generating audios for your videos. They won't tell you those things. Now you have bought the course, they will send you a video. Now once you watch the video, after trying to practicalize what you watched on the video and you see that it is a long process, you will end up getting frustrated and be like, whoa, this person has scammed me. Meanwhile, they didn't try to impact you with the right knowledge on the niche you are trying to venture in. African folktale is a new niche on YouTube, which which doesn't have many creators yet. So now, as it stands now, the RPM of folktales is very, very low. So for you to get enough revenue on African folktale is getting higher views. High views is the goal to reach any threshold you set for your payments. So these are the things they won't tell you about African folktales. So imagine you spent 8 hours in editing a video and your RPM is 0.2 cents. Just imagine that. And how many views are you going to get for you to even get $50? Because your audience determines how much you make. Let us assume that I have in my top geographical, I have US, I have UK, and I have Germany. My RPM will be like it might even for 1,000 RPM it will be like $70, because people that watches my videos are from those countries. Now here in African folktale, it's just different. It's vice versa. So the RPM is very, very, very low. So you have to get this into your mind. If you are trying to just enter, let me just go and cash out money. No, it doesn't work that way. These are the things they won't tell you. These are the things they won't tell you. Now, The good side of this African folktale, it can give you fast 1,000 subscribers and fast 4,000 watch hour. This is the good thing about African folktale. But in terms of generating huge revenue, it's hard. And also you need thousands of views. And thousands of views, you need many videos to get thousands of views for you to reach any threshold, for you to be cashing out, let us say $200 every month. You need all these things. So that is, you have to have this thing in mind before entering into this folktale channel. It's not easy because the people that watches your videos are your fellow Africans. And when African countries watches your videos on YouTube, it doesn't have enough revenue, both on Facebook, both on Instagram. I don't know why, but this is how it is. This is how it is. This is, I don't know if, will I say this is how it is made or is meant to be. So this is it. So now have this in mind before venturing into any folktale channel. It's not going to be an easy ride. So just keep up on YouTube. Never give up in whichever thing you are doing. Just put in more effort and don't relent. So in my next video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a sweet African stories using your mobile phone. And I'm going to enlist all the necessary apps you need, from generating text to audio and also reducing noise. You can even use your own voice to generate the story without you even reading it. Just give your voice as a prompt and you can clone your voice to read the text for you. So in my next video, stay tuned so that in my next video, you are not going to miss out this. So like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thanks.